Yeah, good day viewers, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, I want you to do is to hit the subscription button and also turn the subscription bell on so that anytime we post in this channel, you can be able to get notification to enable you watch our videos anytime we post. So on today's edition, I'll be giving you a breakdown of the 2025 Agri Practical WAEC. So all I want you to do is to get your pen and paper ready, because everything I'm going to say in this video, you will definitely come across it in your exam. Remember, do not skip this video, because when you skip this video, you will miss a lot, and I believe you will not like that. So just pay attention. Like as I said earlier, everything I'm going to say as far as this video is concerned, or as far as this 2025 WAEC Agri Practical is concerned, you will surely see it in your exam. So take note of that. Okay, so let's begin by taking a look at some of the specimen, and then we'll talk about the things that you are expected to see on that very day of your exam, which is just a few days from now. So under this, we have specimen A. Specimen A is ammonium sulfite. Ammonium sulfite. Now, what you'll be asked on this ammonium sulfite is the uses and the importance. The uses or the importance. What is ammonium sulfite used for in agriculture? Here, number one, we said it is used as fertilizer for crop in need of nitrogen and sulfur. It is used as fertilizer for crop in need of nitrogen and sulfur. Here again, we said it is used to improve soil fertility and structure. It is used to improve soil fertility and structure. And lastly, it is used to acidify alkaline soil, or you can just say it is used for pH management. So in the case where the soil is more alkaline, if we want to acidify it, we can use ammonium sulfite. Apply ammonium sulfite on the soil. Okay, so now let's take a look at specimen B. Specimen B says muriate of potash. Muriate of potash. That is what specimen B is. What are the uses or importance of specimen B, which is muriate of potash? We said that it is used as fertilizer for crop in need of potassium. So any crop that is lacking potassium, we use muriate of potash for that. Here we say it is used to improve soil fertility and soil structure. These are the two importance or uses of muriate potash for agricultural improvements. Now let's take a look at specimen C. Specimen C is cow dungs. Cow dungs. Okay, so what are the importance or uses of cow dung in agriculture? One is, we said it is used as soil manure. It is used as soil manure. Two, it is used to improve soil fertility and soil structure. Now, next one there says it is used to produce biogas. We use it to produce biogas. Now, here we say it is used to control erosion. We use it in controlling soil erosion. That is for the cow dung. So take note. These are the things that you will be seeing as far as your exam is concerned. Now, the next one there is compost. That is specimen D. Specimen D is compost. Compost. Now you'll be asked how this compost is made. How to make a compost. Now take a look at this. We said the collection of organic material like waste, leaf, and grasses. You collect them. Now the second one there is decomposition by microorganism into nutrient-rich compost. Now the third one there is curing by allowing the compost to mature and stabilize. So these are the three stages or three processes of preparing or making a compost. One, collection of materials, organic materials such as leaves, waste, and all the rest of them, even leaves and vegetables. Collect them. Then the next one there now is the decomposition by microorganisms. Decomposition by microorganisms, and lastly, the curing. Okay, now what is this specimen D used for? What is it used for? Here we said it is used as a soil manure. It is used as a soil manure. 2, it is used to improve soil fertility. It is used to improve soil fertility. Now, lastly, for specimen D, we say that it is used to improve soil structure. So these are the 3 major functions or major uses of specimen D, which is the compost. Okay, now let's go over to specimen E, which is a cutlass. Now, under this specimen E, you will be asked to describe a cutlass. Take note of this. You'll be asked to describe a cutlass. Now, under the description, we see that it has a long, sharp metallic blade, and under one there says it has a short wooden handle attached to the metallic blade. So that is for the description. It has a long metallic blade. It has a short wooden handle attached to the metallic blade. In whichever way you want to state it, you can just say it has a long, sharp metallic blade with a short wooden handle attached to a metallic blade. So that is by the way. Now let's go over to the uses. You must ask the uses of this specimen E, which is cutlass. Here, as we all know, it is used in cutting down trees. 2, it is used for clearing of grasses. 3, it is used for making shallow holes. Yes. Now the next one there says it can be used for trimming. We use it in trimming plant branches. Now it can be used for transplanting. It can use it for transplanting when the materials like the spade and the hand trowel is not available. You can use your cutlass for transplanting of seedlings. Now the next one there says specimen F, which is a spade. Now under the description of a spade, we see that it has a rectangular metallic blade. It has a long metallic handle fixed on the blade. So that is the description. It has a rectangular metallic blade. It has a long metallic handle fixed on the blade. Another one there says it has a short wooden grip attached to the metallic handle. These are the 3 descriptions. That is the pattern at which you use in describing it. So when you are asked to describe any material, you can do it by II. Just like as I did mine, I says it has a rectangular metallic blade. II, it has a long metallic handle fixed on the blade. Then III, it has a short wooden grip attached to the long metallic handle. So these are ways in which you can use to describe specimen F, which is a blade, a spade, sorry, not blade, a spade. Okay, now let's take a look at the uses or importance of specimen F. Importance of specimen F or uses of specimen F. In whichever way the question comes, have it in mind that it is still saying the same thing. Now under this we said it is used in making ridges. It is used in making ridges. It is used in making holes. It is used in light weeding. It is used for light weeding, just weeding small grasses. It is used for packing manure. It is used for transplanting. It is used for harvesting tuber crops like yam and cassava. So we use we use spade in harvesting. Okay, now let's go over to specimen G, which is wheelbarrow. Specimen G, which is wheelbarrow. What are the uses of wheelbarrow? We said that it is used for transplanting of crops. 2, it is used for carrying fertilizer and pesticides. 3, it is used for transporting compost or soil. It is used to transport tools and equipment. It is used for carrying seedlings. These are the uses of specimen G, which is wheelbarrow. Now let's take a look at maintenance of specimen E, F, and G. The collective maintenance for specimen G, E, and F. Okay, here we say wash and store in a cool, dry place after use. B says oil stroke grease the metallic part before and after use. Now, here says keep out of rain or direct sunlight. 3 says repair or replace the worn out parts. Sharpen the metallic part when blunt. Keep out of reach of children. These are the maintenance, the ways in which we can maintain either specimen E, F, or G. So in which one you were asked to state the maintenance, just go there and pick the ones you want and write there. Believe me that you will score your mark. Okay. Now the next one here is specimen hedge, which is yam beetle. Specimen hedge, yam beetle. Now let's take a look at the effect of specimen hedge. The effect of specimen hedge. Okay, now before we go over to the effect of specimen hedge, let us talk about specimen eye, which is cowpea weevils, because the both of them performs similar function. So all we need to do is whatever we are doing now, we'll be giving you their functions or the questions together with specimen hedge and specimen eye. So now let's take a look at the effect of specimen hedge and specimen eye on crops. Here we say it causes reduction in yield, in crop yield. It causes reduction in crop yield. 2 says it causes decrease in crop viability. Both in yam beetle, the viability of the yam will be reduced, the viability of the cowpea will be reduced. So that is, by the way, here says it reduces the market value of the crop produce. It reduces the market value of the crop produced. Now, another one, they say it is a vector of crop disease. It is a vector of crop disease. Here says it reduces the quality of the quality and taste of the crop. It reduces the quality and the taste of the crop. Here says it increases cost of production in controlling them. In trying to control them, the cost of production will automatically increase. Now let's take a look at the control of specimen hedge and specimen eye. Here says the use of insecticides, planting insect-resistant variety, remove and burn infected crop, either yam or cowpea, whichever one you are given. Now here we say crop rotation, practice crop rotation. Now here says hand picking of insects, larvae, and lastly store in a cool, dry place. With this, you can be able to control specimen hedge and specimen eye. Now let's go over to the next question or next specimen, which is specimen J, which is Centrosema pubescens. Centrosema pubescens. Okay, now what is the life cycle of this Centrosema life cycle? The life cycle is a perennial. It is a perennial crop. It is a perennial crop. Now, the common name of this specimen J is butterfly pear. Common name is butterfly pear. Agent of pollination is man, insects, and wind. That is that for specimen J, which is Centrosema pubescens. Okay, now let's go over to specimen K, which is spear grass. The spear grass. Now, the lifespan of spear grass is perennial. They are perennial crop, meaning that they can last more than 1, 2, 3 years. Okay, now the botanical name is Imperata cylindrica. That is the botanical name of spear grass, Imperata cylindrica. Now, what is their uses? What is their importance in the agriculture? Here we say it is used for mulching. It is used for mulching, which is covering hills or ridges. That is what it is used for. Here we say it is used for mat making. We use it in making mats. Here we say it is used for making hay. Used for making hay. It is used for feeding farm animals. It serves as a source of fodder for livestock. It serves as a source of fodder for livestock. Now here says it serves as a raw material for industries that produces drug. So it is a good material, a raw material for industries that are into drug production, just like the pharmaceutical industries. That is by the way. So now let's take a look at gizzard. The gizzard of chicken, which is specimen L. Gizzard of chicken. Now, what you'll be asked in this particular specimen is the content of specimen L. What are the contents of specimen L? Because in your exam, you'll be asked to dissect it and write out the contents in it. Now, in the content, we have the grit or small stones and sand. That is what you find there. Inside the gizzard, you find stones and sands in it. Now, you will also find muscular walls. You find muscular walls, just like folded skin. That is what you see there. Then you will also find food particles, especially the undigested food particles. That is what you will see there. Now, what is the function of the gizzard in a chicken or in a bird? Now, the function of the gizzard is for grinding of food particles in chicken or bird. So the specimen L is responsible for grinding of food particle in specimen L, in chicken or birds. So that is that for specimen L. So where can we find this particular specimen L, which is gizzard? You can find it in all birds, both dog, chicken, pigeon, eagle, vulture, name them. You can find them there. So that is that for that. Now the next one there is specimen M, which is goat skin with hairs intact. Goat skin with hairs intact. So now let's take a look at the uses or importance of this particular specimen L. Now here we said it is used for leather production. We use it for leather production. Here we said it is used for making drums. It is used for making drums and musical instruments. It is used in making dishes when it is it is roasted, prepared, garnished. It is used for making dishes. Now here it says it is a good source of income to farmers. It is a good source of income to farmers. Here we say it is used for temperature regulation in the animal. Most importantly, that is what that is used for temperature regulation, especially the hairs. And again, it is the part of the organ that protects the internal structure of the animal, which is the skin. Now, how do we preserve it? The preservation of this goat skin. Okay, we can sun dry it. That is number one. Sun drying. 2 is smoking. Then salting or chlorination. Now freezing or steaming. So these are the ways in which we can preserve this particular specimen M, which is goat skin with hairs intact. Okay, now the next one there is specimen N, which is horn. Horn. Now, what are the functions of horn to the animals? One of the functions is it is used for defense by the animal. The animal uses it for defense. Here it says it is used for craft and decoration. We use it for craft and decoration. It is used for musical instruments. It is used for making button, cup, and plates. It is used in feeding farm animal and fertilizer when it is crushed. So when it is properly crushed, it can be used as fertilizer and also can be used in feeding farm animals. Okay, so this is the breakdown of all the things you are expected to see as far as your agric practical is concerned in this year 2025 agric WAEC practical. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section, and I promise you that I will give you answer to every question there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.